friends. Today's fast, easy dinner is lentils with curry and coconut milk. So this is a dish that I've never made, but I'm encouraged by my vegan colleague Liz to make it. My version is not going to be vegan, but you can easily adapt it. So the way this starts is you just roast that cauliflower. I'm going to do it stovetop in a cast iron skillet, and then remove that. Then you add in all of the curry stuff with your lentils, and that cooks up quick. It's like 12 minutes. Now, you can do all of the flavorings, or you can use a curry powder. It's up to you. Then, when it's all done and everything is mixed together, you know, when the lentils are all done, you throw in the spinach and the peas and the carrots, you put the vegetables back in. Some people eat it over rice. I'm going to try it without rice just to see. And then I'm going to top it with yogurt and nuts because that's the way I like my curry. So we'll see how this comes out. See you at next steps. Alrighty, friends, there's the finished product. It smells delicious. This is really a very simple recipe. I like it because everything you put in cooks for about 10 minutes in succession. And that gives me plenty of time to just make it on the fly. I really hope you try this. It's delicious. Liz, thanks for the encouragement to try this new recipe. Have a great week, everybody.